Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the backend project that I have developed using Mongoose, TypeScript, Express, and for verification I have used the JWT web token. So starting with the project, this is my initial folder structure of the project. I have used the modular pattern to create the backend, and this is a blogging platform. The application is a blogging platform. So I have for the modules I have used 4 modules. One is for authorization, authentication, one is for blog module, user module, and admin module. So starting with the testing of the API. For testing I am using API dog. So initially we are going to create a user. We can see that the user has been created. So if you check the validation, like if we don't give a field, then there is a custom error message shows the email is a required field. Again, if we want to use the same email once again, then it will show duplicate encounter. So moving forward, if we want to log in with this email, after logging, the API response says login successful, and it also provides us with a access token. So if you check the validation for the login route, if we provide a wrong password, then it will say invalid credential. Again, if we provide a wrong email, then it will also say invalid credential. So again, initially for the collection I have used I have created 4 blogs, and I have 3 users in my background, as I have created recently another user. So if I give a refresh, then the new user has arrived here. So if we want to check the validation for if the user is blocked, then the user cannot log in. So in the moment we are manually adjusting the collection. So if we want to log in again, it will say that the user is blocked. So we have checked the user creation, login. Okay. Now we are going to create a blog post. So we need to provide the access token. It can be seen that the create blog API is working accordingly. So now we are going to check the update blog. So to update the blog, we have to first copy the access token. create update. So as you have created a blog, if I give a refresh, then a new blog will be added. Now it is saying my first blog. If I give request to the update page, so it says that provided blog ID does not exist in the user collection. So I forgot to put the ID. It says the update is being successful. Now if I give a refresh to the collection, see, we can see that the blog has been updated. So if you want to update this exact blog post with our previously existing user, we can say that it will give an error. Test. Let us log in a previous user. The user has been logged successfully. Now you need to provide the token to the header. Now if I give the request, we will see different error message like cannot update as logged user not the author for this blog. Now if we again log back to our previous let us copy the block that we have just added. It will show the success message and it will say the blog is deleted successfully. Now if I give an invalid object ID, invalid, it will say that the message is invalid ID. I have implemented this invalid ID functionality across all the APIs. Before checking this block user as admin and delete block as admin, we need to first log in as admin user. So initially I have created an admin user, and by default I have set the role to admin. So let us log in. Now if you want to block an user of the application, we need to provide the user ID. You can see that there is a success message, and if I give a refresh to the collection, then it is said that is block property has set to true. If I once again try to the uh, update the user, block the user, then it will give a different error message. It will say that the user has been already blocked. So if you want to delete this particular particular block, then as admin has access to every operation in this application, we need to copy the ID of the blog ID. Okay, I forgot to provide the header. If I once again try, now it's showing that the blog is deleted successfully, and if I give a refresh to the blog, it is one blog has been deducted from the collection. So for the final operation, if I click on get all blogs, then it will provide me with every stored blog in my collection. There are 3 blogs in my collection. For search param, if I want to search a particular blog with its author ID, let me copy an author ID from here. It is seen that this author has created 2 blogs. This is example title John's first blog and John's second blog. If you want to search according to the title for the blog title, one blog is this matches with the title. This is the filter for sort by and order. If I click order equal to descending, then hopefully it will change the order. Created it. John's first blog, John's second blog, Bruce's first blog. Yes, my API is working accordingly. So this is the overall explanation video of the short project that I have developed with proper authorization validation, and I have handled error using global error handler. So I hope you like my project. Thank you everyone.